Valued as the world's second richest man, with a net worth of $166 billion, Elon Musk's primary home is not some big, fancy mansion we all know he can afford. Instead, he lives in a $50,000 tiny home in Boca Chica, Texas, near SpaceX's development and test site. Musk tweeted in June that he had sold most of his real estate assets, and the tiny home was his primary residence. So why did Elon Musk sell his houses and choose to live in a tiny $50,000 prefab house? Tesla boss and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk on Monday announced that he's finally made the decision to sell the last remaining house he owned. His decision doesn't come out of the blue. Last week, Musk had announced on Twitter that at the moment, he owns only one house in the San Francisco Bay Area that is rented out for events and that if sold would see less use, unless bought by a big family, which might happen someday. Musk's decision to sell the house also arises from the fact that a ProPublica report last week pointed out that American billionaires like Musk, Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, and more barely even pay their correct share of taxes and sometimes pay close to nothing at all. The analysis itself showed that America's richest executives paid just a fraction of their wealth and taxes when their collective net worth keeps increasing. Days after the report, Musk had replied to a tweet about his last house on June 9th, sharing that, "Yeah, sold my houses, except for one in Bay Area that's rented out for events. Working on sustainable energy for Earth with Tesla and protecting the future of consciousness by making life multi-planetary with SpaceX. Also, AI risk mitigation with Neuralink and fixing traffic with Boring." On June 14th, he announced his decision to sell the house, adding that it's a special place. So where does Musk currently live? On June 10th, Musk had mentioned that his primary home is, literally a $50,000 house in Boca Chica, Starbase that I rent from SpaceX. It's kinda awesome. Though Elon Musk has started building his own space-centric colony in Boca Chica, Texas, many of Musk's wild ideas have taken off, while a few have not. Looking at his track record, it looks like Musk will be able to create Starbase. However, the world does not know much about this utopian world of his. People living in the calm location of Boca Chica, a remote beach community in the southernmost part of Texas, had a life filled with tranquility. That is until Elon Musk came up with SpaceX. There he had fixated on Boca Chica almost a year ago. In March, he announced that he wants to rename it as Starbase. SpaceX is currently building a new factory in Texas for its satellite-based broadband service, Starlink. According to a job posting from the company, as he continues to invest in the southern US state, locals have claimed Musk's company ushered out some residents using heavy-handed tactics or pressured them into selling their homes in order to make space for the facility. Musk first announced plans more than a year ago to sell his homes and most of his possessions as a way to blunt criticism of his wealth. Within days, he put two of his California properties on the market. The ProPublica report said that in 2018, Tesla founder Elon Musk, the second richest person in the world, paid no federal income taxes. Musk may not need a home on Earth for much longer. He has multi-planetary plans anyway, including sending humans to Mars by 2026. As a billionaire, one would imagine that Elon Musk lived in luxurious and expensive houses. But he chose to sell off all of his mansions to move into a mysterious little house. The designer of this house must be so talented that Musk is extremely eager to live in it. So, who built and designed the house for Musk? With Tesla shares skyrocketing by more than 500% over the last year alone, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk has seen his fortune soar. According to recent estimates, the mercurial tech visionary and crypto enthusiast is now worth nearly $170 billion. In light of that, you might be surprised to learn that Elon Musk's house in Starbase, Texas isn't a sprawling mansion. Rather, Musk's house is a mass-produced 20-foot by 20-foot box. That's right, Musk is now living in what's essentially a 400-square-foot studio. His house, so to speak, was designed by Boxable, a construction startup that specializes in easy-to-construct housing modules. The house's Boxable sales can cost as much as $50,000. That cost doesn't include fees related to landscaping permits and utility hookups like electricity and water. Still, it's not as if Musk doesn't have the money to spare to fill in the details. By design, Boxable homes aren't exactly extravagant. They can be a bit bare bones, but owners can customize them to their liking. Recently, the Houston Chronicle shed some light on what Musk's specific Boxable unit likely looks like. Boxable posted a video in November from inside the Casita announcing the company had just built it for a high-profile and top-secret customer in Boca Chica. But while the company didn't name names, Boca Chica isn't exactly teeming with celebrities, especially ones who would have a poster of SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket on the door. Remember, Boxable built a custom home for a top-secret customer in Boca Chica. To that end, Musk admitted that's where his home is now. Put simply, it's not hard to put two and two together. So, what's inside that mysterious house? Boxable homes are built in the factory to fold into a standard shipping container. They're made from steel, concrete, and EPS foam, the end result of years of prototyping to find materials that would not degrade. Walls, floors, and roof are all made of laminated panels. The modules are legal for travel on highways. Shipping will be free in Arizona, California, Nevada, and Utah, with additional costs the further away the destination is. Delivery and unboxing are included in the $50,000 price, though land permits or other needs will likely add costs. They will come with plumbing, electricity, and HVAC pre-installed and ready for hookup. Unfolded from the shipping container, the Casita looks like this. This floor plan shows the inside of the Casita, which could be combined with multiple modules to create additional configurations. Inside, the Casita comes fully furnished. It sets up as a studio with 375 square feet of living space. The ceiling is just under 10 feet tall, with large windows and doors. Despite its small size, the Casita has a full-sized kitchen with a refrigerator, double sink, and dishwasher. Dining space is built into the countertops, which continue along the walls. Cabinets also continue along the walls, providing storage. The kitchen might only accommodate one person at a time, but it has plenty of space to keep a full pantry. A sliding glass barn door to the bathroom saves space. Though compact, the bathroom has generous counter space. The bathroom has a shower and bathtub with a glass door. The vanity includes a backlit mirror. Right outside the bathroom is a combo washer and dryer. One of the advantages of the Casita over a typical apartment is that, as a studio, the main living space is open. A built-in divider and TV stand provide some separation between the sleeping and living areas. At only 375 square feet, space could be a bit tight, but the Casita seems like a good option for a single person or couple because it comes fully furnished. There's no need to find custom furniture that fits into small spaces. Hardwood floors and high-end finishes make the space feel polished. The tiny house is only worth $50,000, but it has a lovely interior and is fully furnished with household appliances, as if it were a villa. There are still unknown reasons why Elon Musk has sold all of his properties and lives in a tiny house next to Starbase. We will continue to keep an eye on this situation and provide updates. In the meantime, please show your support by subscribing to our channel. Also, if you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified of future content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.